So what's good up everybody? Today we're gonna share about an amazing opportunity named Microsoft Azure Developer League Challenge, where you can earn different hoodies, Swiggy vouchers, and 3 Xbox Series. So without wasting any time, let's get straight about the challenge. First, there are different challenges here. First one is quiz, second one is cloud skill challenge, and the third one is a hackathon. So the easiest one, the quiz, which you can participate right now and win amazing prizes, is here. For participating in the quiz, you need to register here. So first, you need to click on register button. Here you need to enter your details. So I'll be entering my details. Once you enter your details, you need to click on register button. After clicking on the register button, here you got the option to participate in the quiz. Now you need to click on participate. Here you need to log in with your user email ID and password. Now here, once you enter your details, you need to click on login. After logging in, you need to participate in the quiz. You need to click on the participate now option to participate in the quiz. So there are different quizzes for each week. So each week they conduct different quizzes and you can participate in those quizzes. For this week, this quiz number 8 is going on, and upcoming week also there will be upcoming quizzes. So right now you can participate in the quiz number 8. After clicking on the quiz number, you can participate in the quiz. You need to submit the answer, and note, like, each day they select 5 winners. Each day they select 5 quiz winners, and they give hoodies to 5 quiz winners. And some might lucky winners will get Xbox Series as well as Swiggy vouchers. So you can like participate, and first you need to answer these all questions for winning the quiz. So here you need to answer the quizzes according to your choice and according to your knowledge. Now I'll be answering these quizzes. You need to click on next, and in the next page you can answer other questions too. Now once you answer all these questions, you need to click on submit button. You can submit your quiz, and this is your score. So my score is 12 out of 12, and note, like, if you are getting 12 out of 12, so you'll get a mail that you won a prize, and you'll get your prize in your mail and you can redeem your prize. So let me share like the mail I received. So this is the mail I received from Azure Developer League. So this is a mail about that I won a hoodie, so I can send my address to this mail and they'll be sending us a hoodie, right? So all the participants will be like participating in this quiz, and they are scoring well, so they'll get the chance to win amazing prizes. And you can participate each week. So bookmark this website and you can participate in the quizzes each week. So yeah, that's it. And there are multiple programs going on. Rather than like quiz, you can participate in hackathon and other cloud skills challenge. So yeah, go and explore this website. Yeah, that's it for today, and you can like participate in these quizzes each week, and there are prizes for multiple times. If you win multiple times, you'll get prizes multiple times. So as like you can participate multiple times and you can win amazing prizes. That's it for today. Hope you like this video. Subscribe to our channel and see you in the next video. Thank you.